735, we are refactoring. Let's go look at this. So inside of these functions, we have some refactor points, and we're not going to have time to talk about why they're refactored. We're just going to go over all of the refactor points. We're just looking at them, refactoring points inside of different functions. If you see orange, that's probably a function. If you see blue, that's probably a refactor site. Now, if you see REF on the end of the line, that is a refactor site, right? So the breakpoints are there to give you a bearing of where you are. So if you see a refactor site, then the last orange line of code is the function that that refactor site is inside of, right? So all of these are marked with 735 because, once again, we're on video 735, and we're just taking a glance at all those different refactor sites. Yep, all those different refactor sites. We do not have time to explain where everything is verbally, right? This is the function we're inside of. Okay, where are the refactor sites in this function? Oh, we got 3 here. Okay, here's another function we're inside of. Okay, here's the refactor points inside of the current function you just saw highlighted in orange. All right. Oh my god, there's a lot of stuff in here. All right. Okay, here's another function. Okay, let's see the refactor sites in here. Okay, we got some more refactor sites. Oh my fucking god, here's another function. Here's some other refactor sites. Are we? Oh, look, we're in the commentary. Excellent. We're in some more commentary. All right. Oh, okay, more commentary. We're refactoring some of the commentary as well. Okay, so refactor 735. That is the 735. Right? We're on video 735. Here are our summary notes for this refactor. So we're changing Eddy Game Editor to D Eddy State Eddy, and changing Eddy Game Game to D Eddy EG State Game, right? So Eddy Game, a lot of Eddy Game references are now EG State references. Here's the summary of all of the refactorings for this refactor, and then here's the summary of all the refactorings for this refactor. So these are all the line numbers, right? L underscore for line number, and then the line number we changed. Okay, so here's the summary of what we did in this video. It's a dead simple rename refactor. All we did was rename things, but for code completeness, I had to go over it. So you have been here on the advanced fast code playlist. If you want a longer explanation of what we did, you can go here. I'll give kind of more exposition of why we did what we did here, but we don't have any fucking time here. Here's the source code, and here's ways of getting a hold of me. My name is Kanji Coder, and I'm making a fully destructible fractal geometry game.